Start with question number 7, sub question 5. 5m square plus 2m plus 1 is equal to 0. If you want to solve by this factorization method, that time you have to do the product of the first term and last term. 5m square multiplied by 1 is equal to 5m square. You have to factorize this 5m square such that sum of the factors has to come the middle term. But if you do the sum by any way, that time middle term will not come. So it is not possible to solve this example by factorization method. Then you have to utilize the formula method. For that you have to compare this 5m square plus 2m plus 1 is equal to 0 with ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. While comparing with ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0, a is equal to 5, b is equal to 2 and c is equal to 1 will come. And by formula method, you have to say that x is equal to minus b plus or minus square root of b square minus 4ac upon 2a. You have to put the values of a, b, c in this formula. Then b is equal to 2 square minus 4 into value of a is 5, value of c is 1 upon 2 multiplied by 5. Then minus 2 as it is you have to write. Plus or minus as it is you have to write. 2 square 4 will come and 4 5s are 20 and 5 2s are 10 will come. Then here you have to do the subtraction. 4 minus 20. One number is positive, another one is negative. Find the difference between their magnitude and give the sign of greater magnitude. At that time this will come minus 60. This minus 2 plus or minus square root of minus 16 upon 10. But this square root of minus 16 is not a real number. If this is not the real number, hence the roots of the quadratic equation are not real. Means this quadratic equation has no real roots. Already we saw the comparing the b square minus 4ac. If b square minus 4ac is equal to 0, that time the nature of the roots are what is the nature of the root? When b square minus 4ac is greater than 0 and b square minus 4ac is less than 0, that time we compare the nature of the roots. If this is equal to 0, at that time roots are real and equal, and if this one is greater than 0, at that time roots are real and not equal, and if these are less than 0, at that time no real roots. So you have to say that this square root of minus 16 is not a real number. So you have to say that hence above quadratic equation has no real roots. Everybody understand? In this way you have to solve this question.